Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm here at Apex 2019 and I'm on the Scoop Studio and I'm joined by Lee from Vision Engineering. Lee, we've been opposite you in the aisle and lots of people around the booth, particularly looking at a new system you have with kind of a three-dimension holographic thing. Explain to me how that came about and kind of what the application is.
Okay, so we're showcasing our Tritech technology here at Apex. It is a patented technology, a glasses-free stereoscopic display unit that allows you to see subjects in 3D without the need of glasses or head barriers.
Okay, and where did the demand come from that? Was it a customer-led demand? Was it something that you just thought was a good idea?
Well, Vision Engineering have been in design and manufacture of inspection and non-contact measurement equipment for over 60 years. We have a range of inspection equipment, either digital or stereo microscopes. And it was a combination of those two technologies, our expertise in stereo optics and our expertise in digital. So being able to have a digital system that offers you stereoscopic views is very unique.
And where does the application occur? Where do people need to not use a normal?
So obviously a lot of people who are using the likes of VR headsets or glasses systems, they lose some resolution. Also, it's pretty isolating, whereas our display systems, it's more interactive. You know, we can swap between users fairly easily. We can talk to one another about what we're seeing on the display. People like research and design guys, this is the type of technology they'd be interested in using.
And is most of your equipment used in either R&D or in quality labs?
All sorts of markets and all sorts of departments within manufacturing facilities. Anything from the production line to incoming, outgoing inspection, research and development, obviously quality control. So our equipment is used throughout organizations and in different market sectors, anything from medical device, automotive, aviation, aerospace. We have quite a large market that we work with.
And we've seen plenty of people stop by. I assume the response has been positive.
Very positive. Obviously, we're showcasing. We haven't launched yet, so everybody's chomping at the bit, wanting to know when we're going to have this stuff out. So we're looking to launch towards the end of spring. And we're hoping we're going to have quite a few sales from it.
Wonderful. Well, thanks very much for stopping by and explaining the technology to us, and good luck with what little there is left of the show. Thank you.
Thank you very much.